NKU Campus Police is hosting a 3-day self-defense course taking place on November 3rd, 8th, and 10th for students who signed up to take part.
I think it's really important that our attendees take this class. It really does help prepare them in case that they were ever found themselves on the receiving end of an assault. Best case scenario, you never have to use anything that I teach you tonight. The worst case scenario is you do, and you have those tools to pull out of your toolbox and use in a situation like that.
The course aims to help develop several human capabilities like self-esteem, overcoming of fear, awareness and alertness, and respect of self.
I actually work to recruit international students to come to NKU, and so something that I talk about a lot when I'm talking to parents, to family members, to students who are thinking about coming here is the fact that we are a safe campus. Being able to have something like this on campus just really shows our commitment to safety, and I think is really comforting because it's something that actually works.
Something I take away is definitely the practice. I'm hoping that the muscle memory is going to stick with me. Should I ever need to use it, hopefully I won't, but and I'll definitely recommend this to someone else if they have this again, because I think it's definitely an important thing to have knowledge about and practice with, especially for women in today's society.
There are plans for another course next semester in the spring. Those interested in taking part can look out for posts regarding it on NKU Campus Police's social media pages in the coming months.